Hello. So, as you probably noticed, I haven't vlogged the last few days. For a pretty lame reason. I have been sorting biohazard test tubes. So this one's pretty bad. You can tell it's got two different liquid layers and then a solid layer. There's like a total of 6 of that kind. I only have 3 out, for example. And then there's like, this is a blood RNA tube. As you can see, there's no blood in it, just the RNA from the blood. Most of them have like that yellow stuff at the bottom. It's a preservative thing. But all of that, I've done that. All this stuff got like huge box right there. Well, not huge, but box right there. Those are all unclean test tubes. And then here I got a bag of clean test tubes. And then I got a box right here. So the difference between the clean and the unclean ones is clean ones that don't have any form of residue or liquid in them. They've never been used or had a preservative in them. So they're good. The only residue that would be in there is from condensation. I think that's the right word. But I'm sorting all of them because all the clean ones I'm gonna donate to School for Science, and all of the unclean ones are gonna get like cleaned so they can be reused. So I have a lot of sorting to do. Hey, Pop Balloon. But here's a big tube, rubber stopper, and yellow filling. Empty. This one's clean. Another one with the big rubber stopper. Some of the tubes that I found, like, I read the labels. One was carrying like hepatitis B and herpes. Because right now my dad's working on using those two viruses as a antivirus to cure cancer. Oh. So on this one there's, don't think you can see it, but that little yellow guy inside of there. It's a expired dosage of Urelatis. One of my dad's patients, not sure what it does or anything. I'll ask him. set this one aside. I'll ask him when he gets home. Right now he's on a business trip. See the little liquid in there, that's like, this is a cell-safe container, so it's probably the remains of someone's liquefied cells. Boop. Yeah, so this has been really interesting, just seeing like all the different stuff that is mixed up in here. Whoops. Trying to find some other good ones. This one's just basic one with preservative. So this one, can't tell, but maybe you can. It's filled with little water droplets. It's a Vectwin, 9 milligram. They had Vectwin, which I think is some painkiller like morphine or something. I don't know, but you take it through syringe. Let me find it again. See the top? It has a one-way rubber, so you can put the syringe through, and or the needle through, and since the needle's so small, it will pierce it. But if you turn it upside down, the piercing is so small, and the rubber kind of reforms around the hole, so nothing will leak out. It's pretty cool. I don't know who found that out, but they use that in most test tubes when you're getting like cc's or whatever, certain amount of cc's for liquid dosages, I don't know, but yeah, protocol stickers, some other stuff I'm trying to find so I can give you the full variety. Oh, they also had little prescription containers like this. Oh no, this is a urine container. Drop. It's unused, so it's fine, but pee container. So some of the tubes like this, gotta try and open it. Actually, I don't know what this is. Oh. It's a vial type, I don't know. I'll ask my dad about it when he gets back, but, this is a unused DNA tube. I found a few used ones, but, can you see it? DNA tube. So it also has the fancy rubber thing on the top. Oh wait, no, there's just a little bit of liquid in the bottom where the DNA was kept stable. It's kind of weird whenever I find a DNA tube, because it's like, wow, I'm holding a part of a random person. That's interesting. Oh, here's another one of these little guys that I showed you earlier that have the pill, if you can hear it rattling. It's like 3 of them now. yeah, so I am at like 10 minutes. That's probably dangerous, but it's nothing bad. It's just an empty tube. I'm just, dang it, where'd the tube go? There it is. It smells whoops. It smells plasticky. Some of them smell like alcohol, just because that's what they use to clean the tubes, and also as a preservative. But that one didn't smell like alcohol, so it was never used. But it's been interesting. Just like, here's like a nose sucker. Never mind. It's nasty. But yeah, this has been a very long and semi-aggravating process. It's kind of interesting too, just from like seeing the different stuff, but eh. I had pizza for dinner tonight. That was good. Doing a super long vlog to try and catch up for all the vlogs. Well, 2-ish vlogs I didn't do the last few days. Last few days, what could I have vlogged about? Yesterday, I just did the test tube sorting. So you would have seen that. Ooh, what? And Wednesday, nothing much happened. Wrestling practice and life group, and that was about it. I'm probably not going to be able to vlog most Wednesdays during the wrestling season, because I have practice and then I go straight, like, I get home, shower, and then go to life group. So, just, yeah. Oh, I found another urine container, I think. Yep. Oops, wrong box. Or bag, or whatever. Oh. Whoops. My iPod fell. Here's another, full RNA tube. So, you guys probably, maybe you know, ACD. Huh. Solution A, BD Vidacur, Franklin Lakes, New Jersey, USA. Some of you might know what RNA is. I don't fully remember. I think it's part of DNA, but here we go. My dad's college textbook. So we're gonna read from the textbook today. I had to read this thing for a mitosis poster I did last week because I forgot my notes at school, so I had to use this. It's so weird seeing these pictures on like how hair grows. It always freaks me out. It's like so complex, and it's just little floppy things coming out of your head. It's like 50 different parts, and there's like 3 different kinds of roots, and it's like crazy nerdy that I know this stuff, and that I know how to sort biohazard test tubes, but I don't care, because, I don't know, just an, hello, RNA, I'm looking through, JKL, spinal, SSSSSSS, RV, RU, RNA, C ribosomes, RNA, what page? Ribosonal, oh yeah. So, RNA is what makes up ribosomes. Ribonic acid, cRNA. God! Dang it. About 987. The pages aren't numbered. God dang it. Oh, there we go. 899. Oh, that's nasty. Aha. 900. I forgot what page. I hate it when I do that. VT. I'm going backwards. It's IILMSSHN. This thing is messed up. Just pointers. There we go. RNA performance in transcription 93. Now I'm going to page 93. This vlog might be upside down just because the camera's getting flipped so much. What was it? Crap. Where'd it go? ERG or HRHR HRIRL RNA 53 and 55. Also see specific type on 92 through 95, 95F. Transcription 93. I'm going to 53 and 55 right now. Isn't this entertaining? '54 and 55. Wait. 53 through 55. DNA function, DNA, R. Although DNA and RNA are both composed of nucleoids, they differ in many respects. Typically, DNA is found in the nucleus center control of the cell, where it concludes of genetic materials or genes. DNA has two functional roles, blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. DNA. AGC, ATTG, ladder effect, uprights, ribosomes. I'm trying to find a graph I found before sugars, chloroplast, compound breakdown, RNA, cytoplasmic cells, RNA, cytoplasm. Cells are area outside the nucleus, carries the genetic infrastructure. It's a single straight strand or folded strand, so it's not like the whole buildy ladder thing that DNA is. It's like a straight strand. That about sums it up. 22 minutes. That should be good backup stuff. I'm going to do something else now. Or sort or something. Or take a nap. I don't know. Goodbye. Hope you have a good night.